Morning students, welcome to Information Technology online class. This is Suguna from Good Samaritan School. Today we are going to start part 2 of chapter 7, data entry and keyboarding skills. Last class we learned about one of the devices, that is keyboard, and various types of keys on the keyboard and their functions and some other topics related to keyboarding skills. Today we are going to see the topics are pointing devices, mouse operations, how to holding the mouse while working, what is the proper posture of body while typing, placement of mouse, keyboard, computer table and chair. What is meant by pointing devices? Pointing devices are such devices attached to the computer which help us to control the movement of the mouse pointer screen and help us to select any item on the screen. You know, the mouse is the commonly used pointing devices. Instead of typing directly, some item can be selected from computer screen. For example, we can use print or close button to print a page and close a file. This can be done by using pointing device such as mouse. You know, the mouse is the device used to point and draw some lines or curve or shapes. Some other pointing devices are joystick, light pen, touchpad, etc. Mouse is a pointing device used to point a particular place on the screen and select to perform one or more actions. The mouse has two buttons. One is the left button, another one is the right button. In between there is a one button, that is a scroll wheel, which helps us to move the page up and down. The left mouse button can be used to select an item or drag any icon from one place to another. The right mouse button, when clicked, open a context menu. For example, there is a MS Word icon on your screen. You right click on the icon, it shows you all the properties related to that, or it shows an option like it says open and many other options. Now there are so many operation of mouse. First one is left click. Can be used to select any item or do many actions depending on the software. And the next one is right click. Means to click the right mouse button once. Right click can also do various activities, but it definitely brings up the context menu. Next one is double click. Double click means that you must click the left button twice quickly. This can lead to many actions on the text processor or any software. Drag and drop. You can drag and drop many things using the mouse. To drag, just left click the mouse and hold it. Next, drag your hand and mouse pointer to where you wish and leave it at that. Dragging means moving of any item from one place to another. And the next one is a scroll wheel. We can we can move the scroll wheel of mouse to view the hidden area of the screen. You can move the page up and down. Next is holding the mouse. This is the way you have to hold the mouse by working on that computer. This is your index finger, and then your palm should be the base of the mouse. Your thumb should be at the side of the mouse. The index finger should be the left button and the middle finger should be on the right button and the rest of the fingers to the side. So by holding mouse, you should take care of such things. Next one is typing ergonomics. Typing ergonomics is the science of preventing common workplace injuries by using proper posture and stretching techniques when at the computer. When you are sitting at computer and working on it, so sometimes your posture is not right or you are not sitting properly, it may cause some pain in your body parts or it may cause pain in your eyes. So, some of the factors which are included while typing are these things need to be taken while typing. First one is sitting posture. Sitting posture, that is, while operating the computer keyboard, you should sit straight and slightly bending your neck forward. Touch both feet to the floor and lower portion of the back to the back of the chair. The points can be explained by picture. This is the way you can sit. Your back should be straight and your feet should be touch on the floor and your back should be touched to the back of the chair. There should be gap between at least 50 to 80 centimeter of distance between your eyes and the screen while working on that. And the chair which are sitting and the table should be very comfortable for you. And the next is position of hands. When you are working on that computer, keep your wrist should be straight. Don't touch the elbows to the body. Bend at about 90-degree angle. Next, monitor placement. The distance of the screen from the user depends on the size of the screen. There should be at least 50 to 80 centimeter distance between your eyes and the screen. And the next is keyboard and mouse placement. Keep the keyboard and mouse at an approximate distance of 20 cm, which will help in smooth operation of the keyboard. Chair and table placement. The chair of the user must be supportive to his lower back. It should not be very hard. If it is hard means after working for some hours, there is a pain in your back. It should be comfortable to work with computer. The computer table should always have sufficient space for our legs. And last one is whatever the matter you have to type, that matter should be placed the left or right side of the keyboard. So, part 2 is completed. Today's topic, if you are understood it, there are some questions for you. Do this question in your notebook. Thank you.